Hi children, welcome to maths class. Okay, in the last class we learned till page number 87. Now we'll start with page number 88. That is, what is there first one here? Do and enjoy. What is there? Observe the number cards. See here. See here. Observe the number cards that Gopal. He is Gopal and she is Sureka. Gopal and Sureka are holding in the picture below. Do the sum written on mangoes. See, there are some numbers given here, so we have to add it. Sum means add it. Okay, give the mangoes with answers 769 to Gopal and 425 to Sureka by drawing a line. So we have to draw a line. Keep the remaining mangoes with me. Okay, remaining mangoes I have to keep with me. Okay, 769 to Gopal and 425 to Sureka. Okay, so shall we solve here? What is the first question? On the mango, 210 plus 215. So 5 here, 2 here, 425. So this 425 mango is goes to Sureka here. And next one, 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. And 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 713. So this 713 is for me. Okay, only 769 and 425 I have to give. Okay, here next is 6 plus 3 is 9, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Oh, this 769, this mango will go to Gopal. Next one here, 835, it is for me. 769, again this goes to Gopal here. 415, it is for me. 769, this is for Gopal. This one I already solved, children. Okay, 425, it is for Sureka. 369, it's for me. Okay, how many mangoes do Gopal and Sureka get? See, Gopal and Sureka together they get 1, 2, 3 and this 4, this 5. So Sureka and Gopal get 5 mangoes. How many mangoes did you get? So I got how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. So I got 4 mangoes. So both Gopal and Sureka got there. I got 5 mangoes and I got 4 mangoes. So what is their next topic? Frame problems. So what is mean by frame problems? So given below are some more addition problems. Find the answer and compare them. See, here some of the given problems here. See, 215 plus 115 is nothing but 330. So all addition what we will count will get the answer as 330. So here also 330. So here also 330. So 330 we can write in this way. So many ways. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many ways we can write 330. It is between from 1 to 10. Okay, we can keep the number, put the number from 1 to 10. See here. See, 5, it is below 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Here 9 plus 3 is how much? 9 in a mind, 3 on fingers, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1 is again 13. 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 is 3. See, all if you add also will get, everything will get as a 330. So what is the answer you get for each sum? That is 330. Now what they have done? So they have tried for 330. So they have given for us also to try. What is there? Try yourself. Is it possible to frame different addition problems to get same number in all? Frame addition problems in different ways. Okay. See, first example, it is given 90 plus 65 is 155. Here. So we have to frame many problems so that we'll get answer as a 155. Okay, see here. So I have framed here already. So you all try this one. See, second one as a homework. So this one I have solved. See, 70 plus 85 is 155. 83 plus 72 is again 155. 94 plus 61, 98 plus 57 is again 155. See, you all count it, children. Frame for this one. Okay, here 576 I have to get an answer. So how to frame? See, we have to add 2 numbers such that we get the answer as 155. See, here 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 14 plus 1 is 15, in this way. Okay, here 465 plus 1, 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, So 4 plus 1 is 5. So easy way I have written here. See here. 355 and 221. Within 10 only. See, within 10. All the digit within 10 only I have to write here. So that I'll get answer as within 10. See, no carry over for this. Okay, children? Next. Enjoy by doing. Where is the problem? So where is the problem here? Match suitable chocolate with the answer card which Charan is holding by drawing a line. See, Charan is holding a card of 932. See, here is some problems are given in the chocolate. On the chocolate, then we have to solve. So whichever the answer is matching to the Charan, we have to match it. See, yellow color answer got 932. It is matching for Charan. See here again brown color it is matching to Charan. Pink color it is matching to Charan. So you all do it, children, this one. You all do it and enjoy it by matching to Charan. Okay. Next. Exercise 3.3. What is there? Matched by drawing lines. So we have to match by drawing lines. So given answer is 401. So given answer is this one. So problem is this one. So we have to add the given problem such that we get the matching here. Okay. So first we have to add. See, first given number you have to add, children. Add and keep it answer here, this side. Now you start matching. See, 800, where is 800? Here it is. Okay. So from here to here. Start matching here. Next 520, where is 520? Here. Here. So match here. 919. So 681. Next 401. So match in this way. Next one. Same way we have framed the question for 3 numbers here. So here also frame 2 problems each for the following numbers. See here 499 is a given question. So they have solved 2 problems here. 200 plus 299 is 499. 385 plus 114 is again 499. So we have to solve a problems in such a way that both the answer we have to get as 88 given question. Okay. See here 222 222. See here 88. How much 88 nearer number is 70. 70 plus 18 is 88. See think and see first write see what 88. So keep a question as 88. It's very easy. So keep a question as 88. So keep a question as 88. So 88. So 88 we have to count. See, first you write your own number as like such as 70. See, 0 is there. So which number I need here? 8 I need. So I write here 8. So how many numbers I add to get 8 here? So 7 is already there. If I add 1, then only I can get 8. So 0 plus 8 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. In this way, this is a very easy method you can solve this, children. This is left your according to your imagination you can draw. You can put your numbers. What is there next? 222. So next question is 222. How can I draw? See here. So 222. So 102 I will write 102. So 102 is already done. So 2 is done here. So for 0 I require still 2 here. So 2 is already written here. So I need 2 here. So 1 is there. Here 2 is there. So I will write another 1 here. So answer becomes 222. So still 1 how I will write? So next I choose a number as 100. Okay. Next still 2 I want here. And here 2 I want here. And again here 1 I want. See? 2 is the answer here. 2. Then again 2. See? 222, 222. Okay. Next one 850. See 850. How I will write 850? See 700 first I will write. Then here is 0. See 5 I want. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 5, 1, 8. See 850 I got answer. So next number I will write as 100. Okay. 0 last number is 0. I will write 0. Then here 5. So 5 I will write here. So 1 is there. Still how many numbers I should put here to become 8? See 7 I have to put here. So 0, 5 and 8. See 850, 850. So did you all understand, children? So this is very easy. In this way you all can do it. So next, what is there? So estimated amount. So what is the estimated amount? So here, to estimate the amount, we have to draw a number line. See children, I'm going to explain on the board here. We have to draw a number line here. From 10 to 20, I'll draw a number line. Okay. Here starts 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last is 20. See, which is the middle number here? So 15 is the middle number. So always consider take as a middle number. So here this 15 is the middle here. I wanted to know, so where is the 12 here? 12 is, see, first number is 10 and the last number is 20 here. So I wanted to know where is 12. It is nearer to 10 or it is nearer to 20. So 12 is nearer to, see, one number, two number. It is nearer to 10. Next I want 18. 18 number, it is nearer to 10 or 20. See, 18 number, it is nearer to 20. So write down here 20. Next I want 14. So 14 is nearer to which number? 14 is here. So this is left side and this is right side. Okay. So till 15 below this side, left side, it is nearer to 10. So after 15, below 15 it is, before 15 it is left. So after 15 it is right. After 15 it is right. This is before 15. Okay. In this way you have to solve, children.